Dear students, greeting to you all. I am Aishwarya, your chemistry teacher. I'm sure you're enjoying your days at home doing whatever you wanted. But time has come, let's get back to our studies. Our school has started online teaching classes and you will be receiving videos every week. Please do listen to the videos and take note. It's wise to spend the time in a productive way, children. Start with a prayer and learn every day. Get help of your parents and you can always contact us for doubt clarification. Okay, children, let's get into today's video session. Introduction to chemistry. In previous classes, you have learned science. Am I right? What is science? Science is a systematic study of natural world and fact learned by careful observation and experimentation. Observation and experimentation. People who work for the development of science through the experimentation and the observation, they are called as a scientist. Science has three branches: physics, chemistry and biology. Now we are going to concentrate on chemistry. Chapter 1. What is chemistry about? What is chemistry? An important branch of science is in chemistry. An important branch of science is in chemistry. Chemistry is the study of substances and their transformation. Chemistry is the study of substances and their transformation. Everything around us, which is made up of matter, whatever it may be, pen, pencil, toy, eraser, book, whatever it may be, everything which is made up of matter. In previous class, you have learned the definition of matter. Am I right? Anything that occupies space and has mass is known as an matter. Anything that occupies space and has mass is known as an matter. It should occupy some space and as well as in it should have some mass. That is known as a matter. The difference between all the above mentioned example is that all are made up of different substances. Air, water, pen, toy, everything which is made up of different substances. So matter, anything that occupies space and has mass is known as a matter. Let us see what transformation actually means. Whenever substance undergoes chemically, we say it has been transformed. For example, curdling of milk is a best example for transformation. Milk changes into curd. Whenever substance undergo chemical, we say it as a transformation into another substance. One substance is transformed into another substance or substances. Raw vegetable changes into properly cooked food. Rusting of iron. These are the example for transformation. Transformation. Transformation are a kind of change. Transformation is nothing but kind of change. Changes takes place every moment. Changes are two types. One is physical change, another one is chemical change. In a physical change, there is no change in a substance. There is no change in a substance. It will remain same. The substance remains same. While in the case of chemical change, there is a change in a substance. New substance will be formed. New substance will be formed. Here are some example. When ice melts, water freezes, water boils, all the above changes, substance remains water. It will changes, but the substance remains water. In the case of chemical change, while you're burning a paper or wood, which is made up of cellulose, and it is the cellulose that burns, changes into carbon dioxide and water vapor. While you're burning paper and wood, it will be converted into carbon dioxide and water vapor. Here are some examples for physical change: melting of ice, boiling of water, formation of cloud, melting of wax, breaking of bottle, crushing can. Here are some examples for chemical change: cooking of food, curdling of milk, burning, rusting of iron, digestion of food, growth of plants and animals. These are some examples for chemical change. Chemical reaction. Whenever there is a chemical change in a substance, we say it as a chemical reaction. When there is a change in a substance. Chemical change in a substance, we say it as in chemical reaction has takes place. On burning, we saw that carbon dioxide and water vapor are formed. On burning wood or paper, carbon dioxide and water vapor are formed. That is said to be as in chemical reaction. The food which we eat get digest and provide us energy. It is also a chemical reaction. Chemical reaction, whenever there is a chemical change in a substance, chemical change in a substance is known as a chemical reaction. Chemical. A substance used in a chemical reaction is called as an chemical. A substance used in a chemical reaction is called as an chemical. For example, diammonium phosphate, superphosphate of lime, sulfuric acid. These are the examples for chemical. Diammonium phosphate, superphosphate of lime, and sulfuric acid. How chemistry evolved. Human beings have continually made effort to lead a better life. In a search for better life, human beings have tried to look at ways to improve their life. They have searched for ways to improve clothing, agriculture, building material, and medicine in order to cure diseases. Alchemy. Before the beginning of modern chemistry, there was alchemy. Before the beginning of modern chemistry, there was alchemy. Alchemy is defined as the process of taking something ordinary and turn into extraordinary. Taking something ordinary into extraordinary. Sometimes in a way that cannot be explained. In an example of using alchemy is a person who takes a pile of scrap metal and turning into a beautiful art. Alchemy is defined as the process of taking something ordinary and turned into something extraordinary. The word alchemy was derived from Arabs from the Greek Egyptian word chemia. Alchemy was mainly preached by Arabs, Greek, Egyptian between the 8th and 16th century AD. Aims of alchemist. People those who work on alchemy were known as alchemists. They have two main aims: converting cheap metals into gold and searching for elixir of life. Converting cheap metals into gold. Gold has been greatly valued by human being. Am I right? Usually people will give importance for gold comparing with the other metals. Alchemists made attempt to convert a baser metal like copper and iron into gold. They have tried for centuries. Some claimed that they have succeeded. They claimed that success was due to called philosopher's stone. Philosopher's stone is nothing but a mythical substance supposed to change any metal into gold or silver, according to some, to cure all the diseases and prolong life indefinitely. So, what is the main aim for Philosopher's Stone is converting a metal into gold, converting a baser metal into gold. And the next one is to cure all the diseases and prolong the life indefinitely. Some facts to be remembered. The Indians have extracted iron much before this period. The quality of iron and steel was well known. Have you ever seen iron pillar near the Qutb Minar in Delhi? It was made in the 4th century AD. The 24-foot high iron pillar has been exposed to rain and storms since then. Searching for elixir of life. What is elixir of life? Elixir is an imaginary liquid. Elixir is an imaginary liquid that could cure all the diseases and help the people live long. It would make a person immortal. person who never dies. Person who never dies. Elixir is an imaginary liquid to cure all the diseases and help people to live long. Why they wanted to search elixir? Human always wanted to live long. Human always wanted to live long, so it wanted to search for the elixir of life. Why alchemy failed? The very basis of alchemy was incorrect. The very basis of alchemy was incorrect. Alchemists accepted the ancient Greek belief that everything was made up of four substances: earth, fire, air, and water. No substance could be simpler than these four substances. These four substances were called element. From the 17th century onward, scientists began to discover substances simpler than these four substances. The four element theory was disproved. This was the origin of modern chemistry. Why the alchemy failed? The very basic basis of alchemy was incorrect. They accept the ancient Greek belief, which is everything made up of four substances like earth, fire, air, and water. No substance could be simpler than these four substances. The four substances were called as element. From the 17th century onwards, scientists began to discover the substance simpler than these four substances. Finally, this four elements theory was disproved. They did not success. Experiments were made for centuries for searching a liquid which will make a person immortal. But alchemists failed. Alchemists were not able to complete their both the aims. Hence, the alchemist failed to convert a cheap metal into gold as well as in searching for elixir of life. Later, all these claims were proved to be false. Everything became as an false because their attempts were scientifically wrong. The main basic thing was scientifically wrong. One metal cannot be converted into another metal by the chemical reaction as they thought converting a silver the converter thought that copper and iron is converted into gold. One metal cannot be converted into another metal by the chemical reaction. Let us recall what we have learned in the today's video session. Define chemistry. Chemistry is the branch of science which deals with the study of substances and transformation. Substances, matter. Anything that has mass and occupies space is known as in substances. Transformation means transforming one substance into another substances. Chemical reaction. When there is a chemical change in a substance, we say it as a chemical reaction has takes place. Next, we learned alchemy and why alchemy failed. Assignment. I gave four short answers. Learn. Learn these four short answers. What is chemistry? What is physical change? What is chemical change? What is matter? Thank you.